man. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all see my destination, my current situation. Brothers Motors, guys. Yes, notice what's not here. That was right here yesterday, a day before yesterday. Yes, the ProMaster. You know what that means? It's in the shop. Guys, we about to knock this out, man. We ain't got time to play around. We got work to do. We got a lot of work to do. So in order to do the work, we got to get started. There it is, baby. The ProMaster in the building. Engine is out. I'm thinking, yes. The engine is out on the ground. Damn it, it's time to get big. There it is. Y'all see that? Woo-hoo! Yeah, buddy. Let's get this thing going, man. We got work to do, guys. So I tell y'all what. Y'all hold tight, man. Let me go in here and unload some oil. I got to bring some extra parts and stuff like that. So y'all stay tuned, man. Oh, man, we got to get to this Challenger right here, too. Oh, that's a beauty, too. He got a little small problem, guys. Nothing we can't handle. All right, let me take these parts in here, man. We got to get this ProMaster running, man. We ain't got time to play games. All right, hold tight.
Alrighty, guys. Let's start a long video. I hope I don't get flagged for this music playing in the background. However, y'all can see we got the engine out of the ProMaster. Now, here's the thing, guys. Everything that was attached to this engine melted, okay? This is how hot they got it. See that? Yeah, I can't trust none of this. All right, this is the injectors, the ejector rail, all this stuff ran hot. Even the starter was cracked, okay? So I'm not trusting any of this. The good news is, like y'all saw that earlier short video, I was able to get him we had a ProMaster engine sitting on the floor over there, so I was able to get the intake and the lower intake off of that. This to my buddy with the ProMaster that we're doing. I'm doing that engine job over there at Brothers Motors. You in luck, buddy. You overheated. You cooked that damn thing it got super hot. It melted all of this. Now the good news is for you, I got a used engine right here that we replaced for some other reasons, some bottom end noise, but all this stuff was good. So what I'm gonna do, save you some money, save you about $500 because this intake alone is real expensive. I'm gonna take this intake and this lower intake and put on your new engine. Like I say, you cooked the other one. I'll show you pictures of that later on when I get over there, but I'm headed over there now. But I need to grab this whole injector lower intake and this damn upper intake and take over there and use for your car. So you're actually in luck. I'm gonna save you some money, but they overheated it. So technically everything attached to this engine, this plastic, need to be replaced. So now I'm back to get the valve covers off. Even the damn wiring harness for the Noxus. So I'm gonna use that on this. My buddy got lucky. It's not gonna, this thing is right here by itself is expensive. All right, so we're gonna do it that way. Yeah, I'm trying to help him out because we want to get this going, rolling, and everything. It's actually not that bad. Let me step back where y'all can see. We dropped the pull the front grill off, pull the whole front grill off, and I thought we was gonna have to drop a whole bunch of, well, okay, it's out. Let me put it that way. So ProMaster, baby, again, we got to make sure we get rid of that drain problem up here because that intake can get rusty and go all the crap. All right, so we don't want that to happen. But again, guys, I'm fighting with some music and I don't want copyright restrictions, so I'm gonna just film some video and go over and talk over it later. All right, so we wrapping it up. Okay, you can see the big ProMaster. The engine is out, baby. Yeah. All right. This is the way he chose to take it out, guys. Yeah. So a lot of people go straight from the bottom. My Russian buddy, the last one he did, he dropped it out of the bottom. But for the most part, there's multiple ways you can take it out. Here she go, baby. Brand new, long block. Okay. This was a wise choice by my customer. Okay. I kind of convinced him to get the Mopar because I don't really want to do Jasper or Derman or anything like that. Yeah, the Mopar come with the seals, seals, even the oil cooler. Yeah, I found the oil cooler. It was hovering over the rear of the engine right here in the box. So if you buy a new long block, it's gonna come with a oil cooler. Yeah, never. Especially remember this engine overheated. So the last thing you need is a cooked oil cooler on your new engine. In fact, everything that was attached to this engine is getting replaced. All right, I showed y'all where the valve covers literally melted, and that lower manifold, guys, that housed the injector is expensive. But my dude got lucky. This intake right here, cooked. Okay, this is the old one. All right, so y'all saw the video where I stripped down that other ProMaster engine. I was able to resalvage the valve covers, the intake, lower intake, as well as the upper intake. So yes, some major money saved, even though I have to charge him for those parts because yeah, I can't, you can't do that for free. So he's just not going to pay as much as it would cost if it was new. Here's my water pump, CarQuest. What y'all think? Did I make a good decision?
Mopar was out. All right, we didn't have I don't know. That's not a 3.6 is a 3.6, right? I'm not sure if the water pump different, but they didn't have one. They just so he said he just sold the last one, so I had no choice. I didn't feel like waiting. And plus, CarQuest, they will offer me a lifetime warranty. That's a big turn on for me, guys. I don't care who name on the box, okay? Yeah, I play a lot. I really want Mopar, but you know, if it's not there, it's not there. Here's the intake. I think this is the, yeah, see that rust spot? That's where water can get on you. Oh my goodness, guys. Keep your drainage clear so that water will not hover over your intake and fall on top of your intake, because it can be catastrophic. Fluids, yes, brand new coolant, brand new oil. Seals for the cooler, oil cooler, okay? Yes, I got some brand new oil. Now, remember the filter, there's no need to replace the oil filter because it comes with the new housing. Here's the starter I had to get. It was cracked, guys. So, and we didn't have one of these, so I had to go to Advanced Auto. Where it at? This is right here, and get one. Again, it's lifetime warranty. To me, that's a big turn on, guys. You tell me some lifetime warranty, I'm down. It's on my record. It's on my files that I paid for it. I don't know the deal with if I have to have a hard physical receipt or not, but I would try my best to do that. But if not, maybe they can just pull up my phone number and track me down that way. However, because it was lifetime warranty, I decided to get it. All right, what's going on out here? Oh, man, we'll be here all day discussing that. But what I'm going to do is get ready to wrap this up because I got to make the rest of this estimate out for my guy and let him know all the additional parts that I needed. All right, y'all stay tuned for more, man. We out.
Brothers Motors, guys. What's next? I tell you what's next. This damn charger right here. All right, towed in, baby. Yes, overheating. All right, y'all know the drill. Y'all see that? Typical 5.7. I don't know why it's overheating. I hope she didn't overheat to the point where she warped those aluminum heads. Y'all know how sensitive these engines can be. Y'all remember the problem we had out of the old 5.7 Hemi, where if you overheated, seats can drop. Okay, yeah, those heads was terrible. All right. Now this car here been here a while, but this truck is next after this charger, guys. We're only working with 2 stalls, so y'all cut us a break. All right. So yeah, we got to get this stuff going because this truck been here so long it's on flat. But you know what? Once I get some free time, I got to come over here and help my boys out. All right, they is really slammed, and that is a good thing. The money is flowing in. Yeah, we done. This is pretty gone here, but yeah, got some parts off of this. So I'm out of time, man. These hashtag short videos do not last long, guys. I got work to do, man. Y'all stay tuned.